First drink. This is the Marion Berry Lemon Drop. It consists of the lemon drop, the wild roots, Marion Berry vodka, self-infused, well, infused with some Marion berries, so we don't need any of the Chambord stuff. So we're not going to use that. We're just going to make it a simple lemon drop that tastes delicious. Normal triple sec, house-made sweet and sour, fresh lemons. Don't use those limes; those are for something else. Ice, sugared rim martini glass, and then your build glass. So I am going to start by muddling at least 3 lemons. It is a lemon drop, not a Marion Berry sugar drop. So you can do a vigorous or not so vigorous. Then you're going to add your ice to the top of the pint glass. This is going to be a full 1 ounce shot, so count to 4. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. Good to go. Then you'll need your triple sec, 1,000, 2,000, that's a half an ounce. And then we're just gonna top up a little bit of the sweet and sour, about a 2 count as well. We don't wanna go over the top because we want that lemon flavor to come out. Correction, we want the Marion Berry flavor to come out, so don't put too much sweet and sour. 1,000, 2,000, oops, plenty. That happens in the real world. Then, take your shaker, hit it on there hard. Now the shaking part is my most vigorous part because that's how we make martinis. The shaking helps, and I'll explain in a second. Smile! That's about 20 vigorous shakes, and I say vigorous shakes because we want the ice flecks, shavings in our drink. You can use a strainer or you can use this technique, whatever you feel is necessary. Strainers help reduce the lemon seeds. Then you're going to garnish with a lemon, and there you have it. A Marion Berry lemon drop, beautiful, not over the top, very simple, but delicious.